So Jeff, you're working on a story that's looking at the changing of the city charter during the process of picking someone to fill an open position. Where's that story going?
Well, we've talked to attorneys and legal experts all over the state to see whether or not the city properly amended its charter for the filling of vacancies on the commission. And some of the lawyers that we've talked to have indicated that they believe that this was a violation of law, that they did not properly change their charter when basically what happened was the commission voted to change the charter themselves rather than follow this other process that's set out in state law where you take proposed charter amendments to the voters and they decide whether or not to change the charter.
But there's disagreement.
There's disagreement. A lot of the experts we talked to said that it's a gray area of law. It's not cut and dried, and at least one of the experts, a former deputy attorney general, says that he believes that what the city did was fine legally. So
Yeah,
they're just the opinions are across the board.
a lot of citizens, at least in their emails to me and posts on my blog when I wrote about this, were outraged. And what can they do about it? Is there a remedy for them? Is there something that the typical citizen might be able to do?
Yes, we think that a citizen could file a lawsuit in circuit court, and there's a filing fee. Usually it's several $100s, and they'd have to hire an attorney, which would could cost several $1,000s.
So it's expensive.
At least. It would be an expensive proposition probably.
For a citizen to do. So that there's no easy thing really
Right.
for a citizen to do, except if somebody says, I've got the money, I feel strongly about this, I can challenge that. Say that happens. What's the impact?
If this were to land in court and a judge sided with the person challenging the city's action, it's possible that a judge could invalidate what the city did in changing its charter, which would and the judge could theoretically order a special election in this case.
Do you have any feel for what that would mean for any votes that
Yes.
occur? And
One of the experts I talked to, a University of Florida law professor, says that he believes any votes taken by the commission, which includes the new commissioner that was appointed under this, could not be turned over, or would not be turned over, or overturned, I should say.
so that they would stand.
They would stand. The decisions would stand, according to this one expert.
Okay, Jeff, thank you.
Thanks,
Get
Bob.
Get back to writing.
All right.